Sony has longed to find lasting success in the smartphone market, but none of the devices it released in the past few years have done the job. Now it is time to change this, and Sony knows that. So the new Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact are notable steps away from Sony. The XZ2 is one of many smartphones we'll see this year that use Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 chipset, paired here with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. The XZ2 also runs Android 8.0 Oreo, and you'll take in all of those software flourishes on a 5.7-inch Full HD plus HDR display. Now talk about the camera. 19MP motion eye sensor around back. The actual sensor Sony used might not have changed, but it has picked up a few new tricks. Smartphone videographers can now shoot 960 FPS, super slow motion video, and Full HD up from 720p, and since there's a Snapdragon 845 tucked away inside, the XZ2 can capture 4K HDR video as well. It has also 5-megapixel front camera. It is time to make next generation emoji, and Sony add AR emoji. For the audio quality, Sony add the rumbling audio. It has a significantly larger haptic actuator.